Welcome here, welcome home. This is part 4 of our 6-day ancestor meditation. Whether you're here for the first time or returning again, know that your presence matters. Rest in your breath and be here in the rhythm of your heart. Your ancestors stand with you. Your hearts face one another. They stand with vessels of water from different places, once traveled, places you called home that land in you. Allow yourself to gaze into each vessel. Your reflection is visible in the water. There is memory here. You reach your hand into the water, feeling yourself return to that time where rain washed over you, or the soft flow of the lake surrounded you, or the flow of the river guided your way, and the ocean called forward a strength that overtook your standing, rushing over every part of you until you caught your breath and exhaled again. You meet the water within you, the sacredness of your tears, the times you had given tears in vulnerability, and no feelings of care were returned by those who stood opposite of you, where sight of yourself was seen by you yet lost by another. Your ancestors see you. They always have, and offer sight of who you were then and who you are now. The water drums up remembrance to the times you had to flow with what life has given, and still stay with trust that all things would lead back to coming back into the fullness of you, no matter what was taken. No matter what you survived through and continue to breathe through, you are here. You are here. You are here. Letting the water clear your sight to knowing you're right to be here, to stand again through all that is and all that has passed. How the water cradles you and allows you to rest back and feel that clarity again. To remember yourself again. The sacred flow of the water calls you to feel into each part of yourself. Any parts that feel lost or missing, call them back. Remember there is safety within your very being. There is safety in your breath, in your heart, in your voice. Come back to remembering who you are. Let the water amplify clear sight into your knowing. You have always known who you are at heart. It's time to live in that knowing, in your truth, in sight of you. Breathe in thanks to the living breath of the water as it sustains your presence here, as it provides the clarity you need to move within your life in the ways that honor you and the people who came before you and those who will come after. Let the water honor your steps. Honor the land, the living stone and sky, and all the plant and animal kin and flora that breathes back life into you. Breathe in thanks and let everything go. The water remembers. Thank you for listening to part 4 of our ancestor meditation. Subscribe to receive the next parts of this guided practice. Each part is designed to help you deepen, clear, and meet yourself again. Breathe in. Long exhale out. Come back when you're ready. Return again. And remember, you are already worthy, and you are already enough.